Look guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. Look where we are. If I ever get it turned around. So you're in Albufeira. I'm okay, thank you.
Okay. He's just there on the right.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm just coming up to Vegas Bar. Not so hot today, a bit cloudy today. Vegas, so maybe have one later on from there. Boys on the stag here. One of them in a dress. It's a classic bar. The artisan there. Little bank. Look, we have doing a night video down here later on, so guys, if you can like, subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. Old yellow at the top. Looks like they're setting up for another little festival over here. I think we just missed it.
So we're in Old Town. I'm going to head towards the main square. Just thought I'd show you guys a little bit around. We've got some lovely little shops and restaurants to delve into if you are in this area. A lot busier, like I say, we are in peak season. So if you are wanting it to be quieter, I'll just come to the April, May. And then you're more guaranteed to get that quieter time. So you've got your alley hop, really popular around Europe. Got somewhere to get all your excursions. Irish harp there. Lovely little restaurants. We're going to come back later on this evening and just see if anything's changed nightlife wise. So it has been a few months since we've been here during the evening. So we want to show you, if you are coming during the heart of it, what you can expect. So you got your traditional crepe, coffee, ice cream, Portugal, 100%. You got your fashion there. Another little coffee shop. Down towards that way, you've got towards like the taxi rank. And then it goes all the way around. We're going to head towards the square, so we're going to go down this way. Got your little fish spa. So from €10. Got some nice little restaurants along there. And along there. And then you've got like your main sort of square with all your little stalls and everything going up towards that way. And then this is like the main square of Old Town. So have a little look at the shops and everything, see what they've got to offer, what's the prices. So let's have a little look at the jewellery. So €14 for some bracelets. Got some nice little like earrings, necklaces. Bracelets. Nice little stall there. Your typical Portuguese Gears football tops. If you're a big Ronaldo fan, you're definitely going to find a Ronaldo top. There you go, number 7 right there. Always a lot going on in this square. Got someone playing some music there. We did a challenge from Scotsman Tenerife this year. The cheapest burger and pint I should say. And these ones have some really good ones. Got Bank up there as well, little rooftop bar. And then this one's quite famous with the bull. There you go, look, happy hour, small beer, €2.50, got large beer €4, wine €4, spirits in a mix of €7.50, cocktails €8.50 and a sangria litre €17. So yeah, not bad at all. Got buddies, like I said, we did go there to check out the cheap beers. There's quite a few along this strip. Do comment below if you know all the cheap haunts and the places to go. For anyone who's looking for a bargain holiday and they just want to get absolutely rat-ass on a budget. So yeah, they've got Bank up there and you've got YOLO Lounge, that's usually open in the evening. We do really love that place. It's got lots of different levels. It's quite a cute little spot. Really, really nice. So I'll just take you a little bit around the corner and then we'll head back to where the ball is, have the beer, chill out, and then we'll show you what this spot's all about in the evening. So yeah, it's a really big space. So if you are staying in Old Town, there's so much like rummage through, so many bars, restaurants, you've got a lovely beach, easy to get to New Town, whether you go along the main strip or if you go along the beach areas to get to it. There is Bolt, do recommend Bolt because it's a hell of a lot cheaper than getting taxis. But like I said, there is taxis as well, buses, the whole 9 yards. This has been Wagwan Tours. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, thank you for watching. Your viewership means everything. Don't forget to like, it really does help spread that content. Ring the bell if you don't want to miss any of our footage. And we'll see you guys on the next one. This has been Wagwan Tours. See you later.